Hi everybody, welcome to Shell Lectures. So in this video, we'll be talking about present perfect tense, its usage and the format of the verbs in the tense. So first of all, let us see the usage of present perfect tense. So present perfect tense is used to talk about unfinished actions that started in the past and continue to the present. Example, I have known Karan since 1995. So, this is an unfinished action because I started knowing him in the past. Still now, I know him. So, it's also continuing in the present. So, something which started in the past is also continuing in the present. So, this is an unfinished action. That is why we use present perfect tense here. So, we'll be learning the format in the next slide. The next usage is to refer to actions or events that happened sometime during a person's life. That is, we don't know exactly when the event happened, so we just use present perfect tense there. For example, I have been to Tokyo. I don't know in which year I went to Tokyo, so I can't say that I went to Tokyo in this year and so and so. So I can just put it as I have been to Tokyo. So this is an action which I don't know when it took place. And the second sentence is we have never seen that film. Okay, so it occurred sometime during a person's life. Then the third thing is a finished action with a result in the present. So something which has been completed in the past, but still it has some it's some way related to the present. Example, I have lost my keys. So far I have not found them. Right, so I have lost my keys. Okay, until I find them, I have lost my keys. So there is something which is continuing on account of that event. Something is continuing right now, so we have to tell it in present perfect tense. So the last thing is something that happened recently, that is just now it's over. So the key word for present perfect tense is itself just now. So example, we can say I have just seen Raj. So just now I have seen Raj and you are coming here and we are talking about Raj. So I have just seen Raj. And then we have the queen has given a speech. Just now the queen has completed giving a speech. So for that also we can use. Now the format and the usage with nouns and pronouns. The format is generally subject, that is the noun or the pronoun, plus has or have depending upon the subject. If the subject is singular, then we will be using have. If the subject is plural, then we will be using have. And then we have verb 3, which is the past participle form of the verb, like eat, ate, eaten, drink, drank, drunk. And then we have object, that's optional. If the object is there, we can write it or we can leave it. The positive is he, she, it. The verb to be used with he, she, it. The be verb to be used with he, she, it in present perfect tense is has. Example, he has eaten his lunch. She has eaten her lunch. It has eaten its lunch. If it is I, we, you or they, we write have. We have gone there. I have gone there. You have gone there. They have gone there. And if it's for negative, we just add not after the be verb. Has or have, we just add not. And then for questions, we have two kinds of questions, yes or no and WH. Yes or no question begins with has and have, and the same rule follows. After has, you write the subject and then you write the past participle of the verb and then the object. For WH, you have to write the WH word first and then has or have, and then if it's has, then he, she, it. If it's have, then I, we, you, they. Then you write the past participle. So this is how we must use the words in present perfect tense. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Like and share this video to whomever you know.